Bitcoin, we start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. And as we can see, the price dropped quite a lot. All right. And since we see this move for the most of the coins, and if you refer to our analysis, since the price was within here, we mentioned if you want to look for trade, we prefer to look, we see the reversal. We do the breakout of the 55,600, because when the price take the 55,600, if we move the daily chart, we mentioned with the breakout of the 48,800, we are expecting the price drop to 51,500. Anyway, the price dropped more than what we expected, and this is out of what we have been looking for, because we have seen this kind of move sometimes, and it either depends on the news or anything or market makers. But by the way, we don't need to care about that. That's why I mentioned we have to see the breakout of this correction, because when the price was within here, we mentioned we have to see the breakout of this before we take the trade. All right. Anyway, still we are within the trend. And if we move to daily chart, we have, sorry, weekly chart, we have seen this kind of the move based on weekly. That means still we are within this correction. How deep this one can go, we mentioned even we can expect the price to retest 30K. That's why, since if we move to daily chart, since the price was within this down move, we mentioned how about if this is the first wave and this is the correction and we are going to get this one. That's why all the times I was highlighting, if anyone wants to look for buy at the top, they should know what's the risk and reward, and they need to look for the trade setup, because I mentioned how about if this one turned a bigger flat, right? That's why I was keeping highlighting. I'm not looking for the sell, but if you want to look for buy, we need to be aware of this, because sometimes you can get this kind of the move. All right. Anyway, how deep this one can go, if the price can continue, we can expect the price to simply drop to 30K. But at this point, I don't think the price is going to drop to 30K. Mostly we will see the price consolidate here, and if the price is going to 30K, we will see the deeper correction. All right, but we have to wait. All right, and we don't have any trade setup either for buy or sell. We have to wait to see what's the reaction. Then from there we make a decision. But the most important things, we don't want to see the breakout of the 40K, because with the breakout of the 40, it can open the door for 30K. All right. And if I move to forward chart, we don't see any reversal point. Even if the price going to reverse from here, we have to see the reversal. But mostly we can expect the price, technically, we can expect the price consolidate here for a longer time. We see the drop before we get the reversal. That's why if anyone wants to look for buy, even based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup either for buy or sell, and even based on 1 hour chart. If we get any reversal as a sharp move flying by correction, this is where we can look for buy. But mostly, even if you get any reversal, it will be within the correction. That's mean the price to have to consolidate here, drop, even as a short term before we get the reversal. If anyone wants to look for buy, that's mean at this point we don't have any trade setup either for buy. So simply we cannot take the trade. We have to wait. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.